last one doubt in
Yes, ma'am.
the. Okay for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No doubts, ma'am. Understood,
Okay.
ma'am.
I understand. Okay. So we'll start today's session. Yeah, the same properties, problem based on properties. The first problem, write it. The first problem, prove that, prove that del square modulus of f of z, modulus of f of z the whole square, which is equal to 4 f dash of z the whole square. 4 f dash of z the whole square. So solution, what we are going to see, yesterday we saw one lemma, right? Using that lemma only we are going to prove all the problems. So using that lemma, I'll write again the same lemma. What is that lemma says? 4 times dou square by dou z bar, which is equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. So using this lemma only we are going to prove this problem. Okay. So this is very important lemma. So for all the problem we will use this lemma. Okay. For all the problem we use this lemma. So this is a very important lemma. Okay. Next, using this lemma only, I'm going to prove this problem. So, already we know what about this. Yesterday we saw instead of dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, we can say it is nothing but del square, right? This is nothing but del square. So, for this, instead of del square, I'm going to fill up 4 times dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, again which is equal to the right side, right? So I'm taking LHS and I'm going to prove that RHS solution. I'm going to take LHS. So what is LHS says in this problem? The given LHS, what is the given LHS? Del square. The given LHS is del square modulus of f of z the whole square, modulus of f of z the whole square, right? So already yesterday I gave one note. So I'm going to use that note. Okay. So the note says, what the note says, already I told you. What is that note says? Modulus of f of z whole square, which is equal to, we can rewrite modulus of f of z whole square is equal to, we can rewrite f of z into f of z bar. So yes, using this note, I'm going to apply. And also for the LHS, del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of modulus of f of z the whole square, of modulus of f of z the whole square. Next, we are going to apply for this, we are going to apply using the lemma. Here I'm going to use lemma, and here I'm going to use this note. So here I'm going to use this note, and here I'm going to use the lemma. Okay. One minute. What happened? Using the lemma, here I'm going to use the note. Okay. So which is equal to, that lemma says, what is that lemma says? Dou square by dou x square, we can rewrite 4 times dou square by dou z into dou by dou z bar. So I'm going to use the same, which is equal to 4 times dou square by dou z into dou z bar of the note f of z into f of z bar, f of z into f of z bar. Okay. So the same thing what I'm going to do, please once you just adjust here. Okay. The same thing what I'm going to do, the next step, you have to differentiate with respect to the inner function. differentiate with respect to z bar first, because always we have to do for inner function followed by outer function. Here inner function is f z bar, so that's why you have to differentiate with respect to z bar. So what you will get if you do differentiate with respect to z bar, which is equal to, we will get 4 times dou by dou z, right as it is, f of z, right as it is, and this z bar differentiation f dash of z bar, because function f of x order differentiation f dash of x. The same thing I am applying. After that, now you have to differentiate the same function with respect to z. Understood? Any doubt, ma? The same function, now you are going to differentiate with respect to z. So it's a multiplication function. Multiplication, keep the constant as it is. If for example 4 into x irukna, differentiate panna, you keep 4 as it is and differentiation of x is 1. Right? The same procedure here also I am going to do. 4, keep f dash of z as it is. Keep f dash of z as it is, and f of z differentiation. F of z differentiation is f dash of z, and keep f of z f dash of z bar as it is. F dash of z bar as it is. Okay, you understood the concept. F of z into f dash of z bar. Again, using the note, this is called f of z into f of z bar வந்து modulus of f of z square. இந்த இடத்துல ரெண்டுமே f dash na, you have to write f dash of z square. That's all. F dash of z square. This is the solution. Hence we proved, right? So again, I'll tell you. So del square of f of z whole square, which is equal to 4 times f dash of z whole square. So what we are doing using the yesterday's problem. So that's why I have given here lemma, because I'm going to apply this lemma. So del square is nothing but the Laplace operator dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, which is equal to, we can write the right hand side value, you mean left hand side value. So 4 times dou square by dou z bar. So del square is nothing but this, and f of z the whole square, I'm going to apply the note, that is f of z into f of z bar. So which is equal to, using the lemma, 4 times dou square by dou z into dou z bar, and the note, using that note, f of z into f of z bar. Always you have to do differentiation with inner function. The inner function is z bar. You are going to differentiate with respect to z bar. So that is f dash of z bar into z bar differentiation 1. X order differentiation 1. So right, that's why no need to write that. And similarly with respect to z. So again, using the same note, here also I'm using the same note. Using the same note, we got the result. Any doubt, ma? Have you understood the concept? Shall we move for the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If they may ask for the 16 mark, you have to prove that lemma. And the lemma வந்து full-ஆ எழுதிட்டு தான் you have to go for this problem. If it is a 8 mark question, directly you write it using the above lemma. Okay. You have to mention that lemma. Without the lemma, you cannot do this problem. Okay. So the next problem, del square of log of f of z, del square of log of f of z, which is equal to 0. So del square is nothing but, we know this lemma. Again, I'm using the same lemma. Again, I'm using the same lemma. The lemma says 4 times dou square by dou z bar, which is equal to dou square. 1 minute. Which is equal to dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square. Okay. Okay, using this lemma only, I'm going to use. Okay, by the question, del square by log f of z is equal to, you have to prove del square is nothing but, again, by the lemma, del square is nothing but, you can use this. So del square is nothing but, what is del square? Del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of log of f of z. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I am doing here using the lemma. For this, using lemma. For this, what I'm going to do, just you have to multiply 2 and dividing 2. If you cancel this 2, you will get the previous step. So that's why I'm doing multiplication and division. This must be there. Okay. After that, you know it's log m power n. What is the formula for log m power n? So we can write n log m, right? N log m. The same procedure here I have written, that is 1 by 2 log f of z whole square. 1 by 2. Bring this m to n oda value I am taking 1 by 2. So n log f of z whole square. Again here we can apply the note, right? Here we can apply the note. What is that note says? The note is modulus of f of z the whole square is equal to, we can write f of z into f of z bar, right? So using the note only, I'm going to apply this problem. So what is the note says? Here I have given f of z into f of z bar. The same note I'm using here also, f of z into f of z bar. Okay. So using the note and the lemma, so this one we can write log of f of z into f of z bar. So here again it is log mn. So log mn we can rewrite log m plus log n. We can rewrite log m plus log n. The same thing I have written here, log f of z plus log f of z bar. And always you have to differentiate the inner function followed by outer function. So first differentiate with respect to z bar. With respect to z bar na, see with respect to y na x constant. The same thing with respect to z bar na, z vandu constant. Z enna constant. So obviously the constant differentiation 0. Obviously the constant differentiation is 0. The constant differentiation 0. Directly I have written log f of z constant. F of z is nothing but constant. F of z differentiation is 0. So f dash of z bar. So we know what is log x differentiation, which is equal to 1 by x. Again that x differentiation is 1, but no need to write. But here we have log f of z bar differentiation 1 by f of z bar into f dash of x. So generally what is f of x differentiation? F of x differentiation is f dash, log f of x differentiation is 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Okay, the same thing here I have written 1 by f of z bar into f dash of z bar. 1 by f of z bar into f dash of z bar. Now differentiate with respect to z. So already constant, 0 is nothing but already constant. Constant differentiation again 0. So what about this? Now you are going to differentiate with respect to z, means this is also a constant. Again the constant differentiation is 0. Both constant differentiation is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So therefore 2 into 0, which is equal to 0, hence prove. So we need to prove, the question is, what is the question? Del square of log f of z equal to 0. So hence using the lemma we have proved del square of log f of z equal to 0. Any doubt, ma? Have you understood the concept? If you find any difficulty, ask me immediately. Shall I move the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other students? Boys side? Yes. Copy the next problem. Del square vandale, you can use this lemma, right? Del square of f of z whole power p is equal to p square f of z whole power p minus 2 f dash of z whole square. So the same thing here also I'm going to use the same lemma. So here also I'm using the same lemma. So using that lemma, del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square. So what is del square? Del square we can rewrite this, right? Del square is nothing but, you can rewrite this thing. Del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. Dou square by dou x square plus your dou square by dou y square. Again, this problem also you have to consider the LHS. Now we are going to prove the RHS. Okay, check your LHS. What is LHS says? The given LHS, del square of f of z whole power p. Del square of f of z whole power p. Right? F of z whole square p. Del square is nothing but using the Laplace operator. Del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. This is nothing but del square value. So this is the value of del square. Okay, this is the value of del square. Again, what I am going to do, this is nothing but f of z whole power p. F of z, I am writing as it is. After that, using the lemma. So here what I am going to use, using the lemma. Using the lemma. So the lemma left side, right? What is the lemma left side? The lemma left side is, right, 4 times dou square by dou z bar, dou square by dou z bar of f of z whole power p. F of z whole power p. So if you want to use dou z bar, that lemma, you have to bring the function must be z into z bar. So that's why what I'm going to do, the same procedure like what we did the previous problem, the same procedure we are going to use what we used already. So 4 times dou square by dou z bar. So I'm going to multiply f of z. So if you do ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு number multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதே number divide பண்ணும். So I'm going to multiply 2. So same way I'm going to divide 2 here. What I am doing, multiplying and dividing 2. Over here I'm doing multiplying and dividing 2. So this thing I am doing, right? So after that, using the note. So already we know we can use the note here. So here we can use the note. So what is that note says the previous problem? The note is, so here I have written f of z whole square is equal to f of z into f of z bar. F of z whole square is equal to the note. F of z, the whole square is equal to f of z into f of z bar. So again I'm going to use the same note. Okay, again we are going to use the same note. Okay, next see, which is equal to 4 times dou square by dou z bar modulus of f of z whole square. I am applying the note. What is the note says? F of z into f of z bar, f of z into f of z bar whole power p by 2 already we have. So now, which is equal to 4 times dou square by dou z bar. This p by 2 is the common. Take the function inside. That is f of z whole power p by 2. So similarly, f of z bar whole power p by 2. F of z whole power p by 2. Similarly, f of z bar whole power p by 2. Now the as usual procedure. First you have to do the differentiation with respect to inner function followed by outer function. So now what we need to do, differentiate with respect to inner function, that is z bar. So if it is 4 times x, we know 4 times x na, it's a multiplication function. You have to keep 4 as it is and x differentiation is 1. So this thing all we know, the same thing I'm going to apply 4 times dou by dou z. So இப்போ வந்து dou z bar பண்ண போறோம். அதனால you just அதை எடுத்துட்டு we are going to differentiate with respect to z bar. 4 is the constant. So similarly here f of z whole power p by 2 is a constant. இந்த இடத்துல என்ன? f of z whole power p by 2 is a constant. So constant times x. இதோட differentiation என்ன? Constant times x. The same procedure like 4 times x mari. This is called constant times x. So write constant as it is, and this differentiation, we know what is the differentiation of x power n. what we need to use here? Differentiation of x power n. In a formula use panno, differentiation of x power n. So all we know differentiation of x power n is nx power n minus 1. So p by 2 f of z bar n x power n minus 2, n x power n minus 2 into the function f dash of z bar, into the function f dash of z bar. So with respect to z bar over. Any doubt ma here? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? Any doubt in this?
No doubts, ma'am.
Boys? Boys, any doubt? Shall I continue? Yes. Now, the same thing. Now, what I'm going to do, differentiate with respect to z. Now, I'm going to differentiate with respect to z means this all thing is constant. This all thing is constant. So, we know 4 times x na differentiation 4 into 1. The same thing constant into the differentiation, right? The same thing you have to write the constant. So, you have to differentiate only this function. This is constant time this function. Okay, now we are going to differentiate this. So, which is equal to 4 times with respect to z. So, this is also what function? This is also differentiation of x power n. This is also differentiation of x power n. So, we know the formula x power n differentiation nx power n minus 1. What is the formula? N x power f of z whole power n minus 1 into f dash of x, that is into f dash of z, into f dash of z, and remaining I'm going to write as it is. That remaining I'm going to the constant I'm going to write as it is, that is p by 2 f of z bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 f dash of z bar. We have to write as it is this thing. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, next I'm going to simplify this. So nothing, I'm going to do the simplification. So which is equal to 4 times. So write as it is 4 times. This p by 2, this p by 2 take out, what will come? P square by 4. Okay, this p by 2 you have to take out, that is p square by 4. The next, so do this simplification, that is f of z whole power, just do the cross multiplication, p minus 2 divided by 2. Got the idea? P minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, and this one write as it is f dash of z. Okay, and again this also you bring here f dash of z bar. This also you bring here f dash of z bar. So already this this term we took out, right? So the remaining this thing. So you just do the simplification f of z bar whole power, do the cross multiplication p minus 2 by 2. P minus 2 by 2. So next, using the note. Next, using the note. So here what I'm going to do, here I'm going to apply the note. What does the note says? The note says f of z the whole square is equal to, we can rewrite f of z into f of z bar. So here f dash now you have to write here f dash of z whole square, nothing. Okay, this 4 getting cancelled, this 4 getting cancelled. Therefore it is the left side, the outside outer the bracket we have p square, and remaining this one I'm going to use the note. This one I'm going to use the note. That note says, what is that note says? F of z into f of z bar is equal to f dash of z, modulus of f dash of z the whole square. So the same here also we can apply, right? Here also we can apply the same formula, the same note, that is f of z whole power modulus of f of z whole power p minus 2 divided by 2, p minus 2 divided by 2, the same formula again, p minus 2 divided by 2 the whole square. Which formula I'm using? The same note. The same note. Here also I am applying the same note. So what we did here also, you are applying the same note. Here also we are applying the same note. Next, doing the simplification, we will get the solution. Doing the simplification, we will get the solution. So, which is equal to, what is that? So, which is equal to p square. So, we can write f of z whole power p minus 2, right? Because if you multiply this, this term getting cancelled, correct? This two and this two getting cancelled. So then what you will get, which is equal to f of z modulus of f of z whole power p minus 2 into f dash of z whole square. Isn't it? We can prove this thing, right? P square f of z whole power p minus 2 into f dash of z whole square. Hence, we prove. Any doubt, ma, here? Therefore, hence we proved. Yes. Can we go for the next problem? Yes. Or otherwise, shall I give the homework? The same procedure you have to do. I will write the homework problem. The homework problem. Problem number 1. Note, all of you take your notebook, write the homework problem. That is del square of the imaginary part. Already I gave the note, right? The previous class. Use that note. Okay. Whole square is equal to 2 times f dash of z the whole square. This is your homework problem. Try to do this problem. And the second homework problem, today we have 2 homework problem. Try to do it. Okay, del square of real part of f of z whole square is equal to 2 times f dash of z the whole square. 2 times. So if everything will come within this problem and all within 2 steps problem. Okay, you will get it within 2 steps. Okay, now shall we go for the another method problem? This is like all the problem, like using the lemma only we have to prove this problems. Okay, now let us start the next type problem. Yes, can you write the question? So the question is, so already 3 problem over, 4 and 5 I have given homework, and the 6th problem, today's 6th problem, write it, prove that the family of curves U is equal to C1 and V is equal to C2, cut orthogonally. What is the method for cut orthogonally? Yesterday we saw one property, right? What is that? Anyone can? Orthogonally. When U is equal to x square minus y square, and V is equal to 2xy, to 2xy. Cut orthogonally, na, the slopes, multiplication of slope is equal to -1. You have to prove m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So that is the problem method. Now we'll start the solution. Write the solution, ma. So that the given C1, C1 is equal to x square minus y square, because U is equal to C1, right? Because U is equal to C1. So that's why I'm writing directly C1 is equal to this thing. And what about C2? C2 is the another curve. C2 is equal to 2xy. C2 is equal to 2xy. Consider this is V, right? This is V. So now what I'm going to do, differentiate U with respect to x, and similarly differentiate V with respect to x. Okay, again I'm rewriting this equation. I'm rewriting this equation. X square minus y square is equal to C1. So here also I'm writing 2xy is equal to C1, C2. 2xy, this is not C square, C2, right? As per the given problem, this is C2. Okay, now the same thing, now you are going to do the differentiation. 1 minute, I'll put the line. Okay, right. Now, so the same thing. Now, what you are going to do, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, the above equation. With respect to x, now this is 2x, 2x, and this is 2y. Again, y differentiation dy by dx, and constant differentiation is 0, right? C1 differentiation is 0. And simplifying this, we want to know what is the value of y. So that is why negative 2y dy by dx, which is equal to negative 2x. So this 2 getting cancelled, that negative also cancelled. And your dy by dx, the dy by dx is x by y. Our dy by dx, that is say m1, which is equal to say m1. M1 is equal to x by y. Say M1 is equal to x by y. So similarly, the next one I'm going to do with respect to x. The same equation, differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x now. Which method this is? Xy now, it is a curve, UV method. You have to follow UV method rule. That is 2 times, keep x as it is, y differentiation dy by dx, and y as it is, x differentiation is 1, and constant differentiation is 0. So this thing all we know, right? This thing all we know. And this 2 divided 0 by 2 is 0, right? So 0 by 0 into 2 is 0, and remaining, right? X into dy by dx, which is equal to minus y, and dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Dy by dx, I'm bringing this x to the denominator. So what you have to do? Say m2 is equal to minus y by x. Say m2 is equal to minus y by x. The first one I'm taking m1, and the second one I'm taking m2. Okay. The next step. So what we need to prove, it is the orthogonal rule. So multiplication or intersection of their slope, if it is the intersection of the slope minus 1 means we can directly say this is cut orthogonally. So that's why they are finding the intersection of the slope. M1 into M2 is equal to x by y into minus y by x. X by y into minus y by x, automatically this y get cancelled, this x getting cancelled, and remaining, which is equal to minus 1, which is equal to, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. If m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 means, hence by the properties, see, all of you try to write a notes. So that is why I'm doing, I'm writing here, okay. Using the properties of analytic function, analytical functions, the family of curves, U is equal to C1 and V is equal to C2 as they given, right? U is equal to C1, V is equal to C2, cut orthogonally. Any doubt in this problem? Yes? Shall we continue the other problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you one problem. Okay, the same procedure. Try to do this. The work is you have to find out what is the value of U and what is the value of V After that, you have to consider u is nothing but C1 and v is nothing but C2. Okay. So the next problem, the second problem, you mean this is seventh problem. Verify that the family of curves u is equal to C1 and u is equal to C1 and v is equal to C2 cut orthogonally. Then u plus iv, when u plus iv equal to z cube, u plus iv is equal to z cube. So what I am going to use the formula, what is z is nothing but x plus iy, and you have to use the formula a plus ib, the whole cube formula. So we know the formula for a cube, a plus ib whole cube formula on the a cube minus 3ab square plus 3b square a minus y cube. So this formula all we know. So you have to apply the formula and bring, so this is your, try to do it when you find a free time, or otherwise I will send the note, same thing. Okay. So again, anyway, we'll go for the solution. Based on the time, I will take this problem. Okay. So that is u plus iv is equal to u plus iv is equal to z cube. U plus iv is equal to z cube, right? U plus iv is equal to z cube. That is u is nothing but C1 plus IC2 is equal to z is nothing but the complex number x plus iy, the whole cube formula. So, okay, ma. So you try to simplify this formula, you will get x cube. I'll write directly minus 3xy square and take I. So I out, remaining 3x square y minus y cube. And simplifying this, you have to write the real part separately. That is u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square and v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. So again, the same what we did the previous problem, the same thing I'm going to do. So that is we can rewrite x cube minus 3xy square is equal to u is nothing but C1. So similarly here also 3x square y minus y cube is equal to v is nothing but C2.